Assalamualaikum guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. And guys, in this part, I'm gonna get ready my sign up form for PHP language, okay? And I'll say the users that you cannot be signed up until you'll never remove all these errors, okay? So for this I have changed something in this sign up form, okay? And I'll show you that what was that, okay? So first of all, I have changed user gender selecting tag, okay? I have removed that tag which I used, so I'm gonna start here a select tag, okay? And in this select tag I'll set up options, okay? Three options. First I'll give it name, okay? And I'm gonna say here its name will be user gender, okay? And here I'm gonna set three options, which is the one will be male, okay, and the second option will be female, okay, and the next option, third option will be other, okay. And guys, the next thing which I have changed in this sign up form, that is in JavaScript, okay. Here I'm gonna say in click event, when form will be submitted, when user click on submit form button, okay, then I'll execute this function. I have executed exactly. So I'm gonna say here I'm gonna gather errors, okay, here all the errors, and from those errors I'll check that are they visible or they are invisible, okay. So for gathering all of them, I will select first of all these, okay, and this one as well, and this one also as well, and this one will be, and this one also will be its part, okay, because these are the errors, okay. I'm gathering errors, so I will select them all. Sorry, here not. I will select here, okay, and I'm gonna remove them all, okay, and here I'm gonna say okay. And the next thing, guys, I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna select it, okay. Sorry. And here, guys, I'll say them all equal to errors, okay. Errors is equal to, and guys, let's count how much errors we have here, okay. For this I will select it simply. So here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 errors, okay. So we have done 5 errors here, okay, and 2 errors are left, okay. For those I will simply copy it, 1 and 2. And what was that errors? I think that was email invalid, okay. And the next was not same passwords, okay, not same passwords. And here, guys, I would like to say if errors, okay, dot style, sorry, style dot display is equal to block, okay. Guys, if these errors will be visible, then I'm gonna say here event dot prevent default, okay. Then I'm stopping the page to be refreshed, okay. And now next I will say here alert, okay, and I will say, I want to say here, please try to remove try to remove below errors to be signed up, okay. and this one as well. And now guys, let's save this file. I'm saving it by simply pressing Ctrl+S, and let's see what browser tells about this file. Okay, and now I'm going to the browser here, and look it guys, I have reached on the browser, and now I'll have to refresh the page first. Okay, and it's necessary. Now guys, I'm gonna click on that, this button to execute my that function, which was click event. Okay, now I'm gonna clicking it, and it doesn't working guys, but why? I think guys I know, so please come in text editor where I have reached. Okay, I think guys it doesn't working because of these two errors. Okay, I'm removing it, and now let's save the file and see the browser if I'm right. Okay, and now I have reached on the browser. I'm gonna refresh the page first, and now I'm clicking on this button, and let's see guys, it's working. Okay, and now come in text editor to see why doesn't those two errors working. Okay, I think guys I'll have to create here if statement for these two, because we have three errors for the same tag. Okay, that's why we will have to create if statement. Okay, so guys, I'm coming here, and here I would like to add if statement. Okay, and here I'll say empty error. Okay, empty error. Okay, and here I'm gonna create, sorry guys, here will be invalid error. Okay, invalid error. Okay, error. I think guys this way will never work correctly. Okay, so I think I should change it into for its first name. Okay, first name, and the next one will be for last name, sorry, for last name, and this one will be for email. Okay, so I'm gonna say here for email, and this one is for password. Okay, and this one is for repeat password. Okay, so guys, here I think it will never come. Okay, and guys, here I'll say if for email dot style dot display is equal to block, then this block of code will be executed, and here I'm gonna say for email, it will never be correct. Okay, email, I think guys I should take this one from here. Okay, will be block, then for email it's equal to document dot style dot document dot get element by id email empty error. Okay, else if will be none. Okay, then this block of code will be executed, and here I'm saying for email is equal to document dot get element by id email invalid. Okay, and for the next else I'm letting it blank. Okay, and guys, for the same work I will use it for my next step, which is for this not same password. Okay, this error was also not working. Okay, so that's why I'm letting it here, and passwords dot style dot display, and for repeat password I think I should remove it from here. Okay, if not same passwords, then this will be not same password, else if not same passwords dot style dot display will be none, then it will be repeat password empty error. Okay, and here I'm gonna say for repeat password. Okay, and else will be blank. And here guys I will have to say for first name. Okay, for first name dot sorry yes for first name dot style dot display is equal to block, or the same things will be happen. Okay, and here I'm gonna say for last name or for password or for email or for repeat password. Okay, if these errors, these errors will be block, visible, then this block of code will be executed, and here I'm stopping the page to be refreshed, and I'm showing this error. Okay guys, I think it's enough. Now save the file to see what browser tells about this file. I have opened the browser and now refresh it first. And now guys I'm gonna click on this button. As you can see guys that it's showing please try to remove Bellow errors to be signed up. Okay, and these errors, if I'll fill up only this field, okay, and I'm gonna click on this button, as you can see that it's still saying that please try to remove Bellow errors to be signed up. Okay, so I'm gonna fill it as well as it and as well as it, but I'm letting it blank. This error is still appearing, then what will the page says? Okay, as you can see guys that it's still saying that please try to remove Bellow errors. Okay, and here I'm gonna say 1 2 3. Okay guys, now I'm clicking on this button and form will never be stopped to be refreshed. Okay, and it will be submitted, as you can see. Now guys, in the next video I'll teach you how you can submit these fields data into database, and I will use PHP language for that operation. Okay, so I think this video is gonna be enough, and we will meet in the next video, and till then take care of yourself, and Allah Hafiz.